To factorize quadratic equations, every time I need to find two numbers. Let's call them a and b. They need to multiply together to make minus 100. And add together to make 0. Where did these come from? The minus 100 came from the constant term. The 0 came from the fact that there's no middle term, there's no x term here. Two numbers must be plus 10 and minus 10. So the answer is and this is a special factorizing. It's called the difference of two squares because we have x squared, something squared, take away something squared. The next one, we need to find our two numbers which multiply together to make minus 12. Add together to make minus 1. Where did those numbers come from? Minus 12 is the constant term. Minus 1 is the middle term, the coefficient of x. These two numbers are minus 4 and plus 3. Finally, we need to find two numbers, a and b, this time equal to plus 6. And plus 7. Where did the 6 come from? The constant term plus 2 multiplied by the coefficient of x squared, 3. Notice in parts A and part B, the coefficient of x squared was just 1, so I didn't need to include that. The two numbers plus 6 it could be the other way around. Slightly longer this time. I split the middle term plus 7x into plus 6x plus 1x. Then I factorize the two pairs of terms. Here's one, and here's the other one. The first one, common factor of 3x. The second pair of terms, there's no common factor, so I'll put 1. Right, there are two terms, 1, 2. Each has a common factor, x, add 2. And the second bracket comes from 3x plus 1.